Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another portfolio update. So right now my Robinhood portfolio is at $18,798.98. Today was a really good day for my portfolio. So as you can see here, today I made $1,098. That's a 6.20% increase. $1,000 in one day, that's a lot of money. That's more than I make in my 9-to-5 job by a lot. So I think the biggest thing that happened today was Alibaba, or happened recently anyways. So Jack Ma went missing, or there were rumors that he went missing a while ago, and the stock market just like tanked. And there were also other bad news, like there was a probe into like anti-monopolistic practices. I don't know, all kinds of bad news. So it dropped by a lot. But it's been trading a little bit sideways, and finally there was news that Jack Ma actually made a public appearance again, so people know that he's alive and not dead. And the stock price of Alibaba jumped up by a lot, as you can see here. So Alibaba is actually most of my portfolio. I have some call debit spreads here and some more call debit spreads here. So I have a lot of money invested in Baba. That's why my portfolio jumped so much, because Alibaba jumped up like 5.6% today. So I owe my gains to Alibaba mostly. So I have an Alibaba $195 $200 call debit spread. That means I want Alibaba to stay above $200 a share. Right now it's at like $265, so it's way above $200. So I don't need to worry about that. So that's going well. And next up, I have this United Airlines $60.55 put debit spread. So I want United Airlines to be below 55. The lower the better. And today, this went really well for me too. So United Airlines, they actually reported their earnings today, right? And I think the news here, yeah, see, United Airlines posts nearly $2 billion in quarterly losses. So the earnings went bad, and the market reacted. As you can see here, they reported after hours, and after hours, United Airlines went down 2.68%. Now, if I was betting that United Airlines would go up, that would be bad. However, I'm doing a put debit spread. That means I want United Airlines to go down. So this is actually good news for me. I want it to go down. So I'm really happy that United Airlines had a bad earnings, and that the market is selling it and lowering the price of United Airlines. That's good for me. Another Baba 205 210 call debit spread. So I want Alibaba to stay above $210 a share, and it's $265, I believe. So it's well above 210. So that's going well. I got Apple 107.5 110 call debit spread. So I want Apple to stay above $110 a share. Right now, Apple is at $133 a share. It's above 110. It went up 3.29% today. A lot of the call debit spreads I invested in, they went up today. And the one put debit spread that I invested in went down today. So it's like a perfect day for me. So after Apple, we got Amazon. I got an Amazon $25.80, $2,600 call debit spread. So I want Amazon to stay above $2,600 a share. Amazon right now is at $3,263. So it is above $2,600, well above it. It made a huge move today too. It went up 4.5%. I don't know. I love it when I have days like this where everything is just going great. Realty income, I got a 52.55 call debit spread. So I want Realty income to stay above $55 a share. Right now, Realty income is at $58.86. It made a move up today, 1.44%. So that's good. It's staying above the strike price that I set it at. All right. And then lastly, we have the Twitter call debit spreads. I got a 39.40 here and a 30.35. So I think in my last video, I said that Twitter was a little too close to the $40 mark. So I got a little nervous. But today, it went up 3.64% to $47. At the $47 mark, I'm feeling a little less worried. So I said I might get rid of the 39.40 call debit spreads, but now that it's at $47 a share, I actually might keep these. And I'm definitely keeping these, the 30.35. Twitter is well above $35 a share right now, so I'm not worried about this at all. So yeah, great gains in my portfolio today. I'm really happy. Everything went in the direction that I wanted it to go in. So that's really nice. I don't see any reason to change anything in my portfolio right now. Everything is going well, so I'm just going to keep it like it is. I was thinking of getting rid of these Twitter 39.40 call debit spreads because it was getting a little bit closer to 40. If we can look back the 1 week chart, yeah, it went from 47, then it went down, down, down. And I think at this point, when Twitter went to like 44 and it was on a downward trend, I was getting really worried. But it looks like it made a bounce. So it went down to 44 and then it reversed and now it's going up again. So that's good. So now I'm way less worried about that. I'm going to hold on to those. Now, United Airlines. So I made a put debit spread because I was thinking it's going to go down, and it did. And it had a bad earnings report, so hopefully it goes down even more. Now, it's in the lower 40s right now, 43. If it goes down to maybe the high 30s, like 39, 38, I actually might do a call debit spread and bet that it goes up if it gets to that point. I mean, people are reacting negatively to the earnings report, so maybe it will go down even further, maybe to the 40 or maybe in the 30s again. I'm hoping it does go to like 39 or 38. So then at that point, if that happens, I will probably do a call debit spread if I have the money for it. Speaking of which, the money from the loan that I'm going to deposit into this account, I made the transaction to put it into my account last week. So I think by tomorrow, the money should actually be in my account, and my account will be around $50,000 once the deposit is complete. And then we have more money to play with, which is great. So everything's going great so far. Portfolio is doing awesome. And yeah, we'll see where things go from here. I'll update you guys if I make any new plays or if things go up or go down really hard. But yeah, everything is going great right now. All right, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.